In today's interconnected world, visas are not just travel documents. They are a strategic tool of geopolitics, economics, and global influence. Today, we discuss China's new visa strategy, global impacts on India, and challenge. Welcome to Closed Letter Analysis. The China positioning itself as an attractive destination for global talent and entrepreneurs and professionals. This move comes at a crucial moment when the United States has increased fee for H-1B visa, the primary routes for foreign tech and skilled workers to enter the US. Naturally, China is seeing this as an opportunity to reshape global mobile and talent migration in its favor. Now we talk about China's new visa policy. China has introduced a more liberal and open visa framework. The highlighted key in this visa, the easier entry for skilled professionals like technology, AI, biotech and advanced manufacturing, streamlined application process with a digital platform to reduce bureaucracy and longer stay permits for foreign workers and researchers. Introduction of entrepreneurship visa increasing foreign startup to stabilize themselves in China's cities. Special talent scheme targeting researchers and engineers and innovators. For doing this, China aimed to attract global brains at the time when competition for talent is intensified worldwide. What is a core behind idea for this visa strategy? Because US H1 visa free increase, the US has recently imposed steeper filing fee for H1B visa. H1B visa is huge, famous in India and global professionals. For Indian and global workers, this creates additional financial burden, making it harder for small companies and startups to sponsor foreign employees. While the US still remains the top choice for migrators due to its innovation and ecosystem, China is quietly positioning itself as a cheaper alternative magnet for global talent. From Beijing perspective, this is more than just a policy adjustment. It's a strategic counter move against US migration hurdles. China sees and the opportunity. If the US is becoming more expensive and restrictive, China can step in as the new land of opportunity for ambitious professionals. This is a main reason. Now we talk about global impact of China's visa move. Shift in talent flow. For decades, the US has been the primary destination for skilled workers, but with the higher cost and more restrictions, some talent may divert toward China, especially in Asia, Africa, even parts of Europe, where opportunities in the US are limited. Second is economic implications. By inviting foreign professionals, China could accelerate innovations in emerging technologies such as semiconductor, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and biotechnology. If successful, this could help China reduce its dependency on Western know-how and close the technology gap with the USA. Soft power and diplomacy. Visa liberalization is not just only about economics, it is also about global image building. By opening its door, China projects itself as a welcoming global hub. In contrast to increased protectionist stance of US and Europe, this could boost China's soft power across developing nations. Now we talk about competition with the West. The visa policy directly competes with the US and European talent programs. While Western nations attract through lifestyle and freedom, China is offering economic incentives, growth potential and cost advantage. Over time, this competition could reshape the global talent. This is a surety. China's strategy and advantage. China knows it can't fully replace US overnight as a top choice for skilled migrants. However, it is targeting specific segments, professionals from developing nations who face tough barriers entering the West, entrepreneurs who want low-cost manufacturing and fast market entry, students and researchers who may not find US visa affordable anymore. In the other word, we can say China is not just competing, it's selectively recruit where it can gain the most. Now we talk about impact on Indian workers and professionals. This is where the story become highly relevant because India is the largest source of skilled and tech talent seeking opportunities abroad. The US H1 visa program is dominant by Indians. Almost 70% of H1 visa go to Indians. This is the main reason hike of fee by USA. But with the rising cost backlog in US, some Indian professionals may start considering China as an alternative. Let's break down the impact. The first impact on tech sector migration. India IT engineers, software developers and data scientists may find attractive opportunities in China expanding tech ecosystem. Big Chinese companies like Huawei, Alibaba, ByteDance are aggressively hiring and they are eager to bring in global talent. Startup and entrepreneurs. China entrepreneurship visa could attract Indian founders who want to tap into China massive consumer base and supply chains. However, language and culture barrier remain a challenge, but economy has bigger huge challenge rather than language and cultural barriers. This is my opinion. What is your opinion? Comment in comment box. Third is brain drain versus opportunity. For India, this creates a double-edged sword. On one hand, India professionals may gain new opportunity. On the other hand, India could face brain drain if its brightest mind increasingly migrate to China instead of staying at home or going west. Fourth is strategic concern. India policymakers may also view this shift curiously because if large numbers of Indian engineers work in Chinese industries like AI, defense and technology or semiconductors, it could raise national security concern given the ongoing India's-China tensions. Barrier to China's success. While China visa strategy look bold, there are several limitations in there. Language barrier. This is a main problem. Mandarin is a still major obstacle for global professionals. Second is some workers may hesitate due to concern about freedom, censorship and surveillance. Western professionals may avoid China due to geopolitics tensions. Cultural adjustment. Adopting in Chinese workplace culture can be difficult for some professionals and outsiders. Therefore, while China will attract a new wave of global talent, it may not easily replace US because US always a superpower and now he is a superpower. Performed destination. Future outlooks. Now we talk about what is future outlooks of this policy. The global competition for talent is intensified. The US relies on the immigration to fuel its tech leadership, while Europeans struggle to balance openness with domestic politics. China is now entering this race aggressively, using visa as a tool to shift the balance. For India, the challenge is twofold. First is retain its skilled workforce while creating better opportunities at home. Second is strategically manage how many of its professionals migrate to countries that may not align with its geopolitical interest. If China succeeds, it could not only strengthen its economy but also weaken US dominance and shortly reshape global power dynamics. Now we discuss about conclusion. The conclusion is this: China new visa policy are more than just immigration reforms. They are geopolitical strategy. While capitalizing on the US H1B visa fee hike, Beijing is offering itself as a competitive alternative for global talent. This move could accelerate innovation within China alter global workforce flows and challenge Western dominance in talent market. For Indian professionals, the opportunity is real, but outcomes with high risk. While better pay and growth could attract many strategic and political implications can't be ignored. In the end, visa are not just step or passports. They are instrument of the global influence, shaping where talent flows, where innovation thrives, and ultimately where power lies in 21st century. What is your opinion? Comment in comment box and like and subscribe the video and subscribe the closed letter analysis. Thank you.